In terms of CNAs, I agree with what Donna said. I mean, it's a CIO's decision as to what is your inventory of systems. And the systems can be huge or they can be smaller. Now, because of the requirement to CNA every system, obviously ours have gotten larger, even though our architecture has driven us to smaller pieces. So we just certify and accredit a whole bunch of them at the same time. But that has to be done in combination with the business application of that technology. The CNA process is very much a risk-based review. So I think the best we can do from a NIEM standpoint is talk about what Donna just did, from the IETPD standpoint, what are the best practices in terms of data exchange elements as well as practices for ensuring that the information is there and easily accessible to help when you're certifying whatever system this interchange becomes a part of. So I think the IEPD is something that in our terminology would not get certified from a CNA standpoint. I mean, it can be certified that it's a good IEPD because it follows, good best practices and design and things like that. But it's not going to be certified and accredited from a security standpoint because that happens in a business process, and there has to be an owner. There actually has to be a mission owner of the system and processes that are inherent in the system in order to do a CNA. So the IEPD is a part of that, and I think it can help in making sure that it is contributing to the ease with which you can do a CNA, but it doesn't constitute a CNA in and of itself.
My question or comment, I think, is directed to you, Richard. I work with the Justice Department, and you've heard from Shemendra and Bob, how the strength of some of the early work that we did in the Global Justice XML data model that led to NIEM was the collaboration of the state and local people who helped us evolve those standards. We've been able to sort of harness our communications with them through the global structure, where we've been able to keep them at the table and feeding us input and directions. And at the same time that's been going on, the communication channels between the senior levels in justice and Homeland Security have become superb. I mean, the information that flows back and forth and the involvement at the federal level is outstanding. But our state and local people are looking for better ways that they can identify who they should be talking with in the Homeland Security area, so that same kind of communication channel could open at the state level that we have at the federal level. So any ideas that you have that would help us figure out how to open up those communication channels would be great.
Well, Bob, being so early in my tenure, I don't have any specific things, but I appreciate you raising that particular issue, and it's something that I will take back personally, and I think we also, as a council executive, will take a look at that issue as to how we improve those communications. Thank you.
Okay. Well, I guess our town hall is beginning to shut down. This has certainly been exciting for me to be here. I think Donna has some final closing things to accomplish, but I just want to, on behalf of the Executive Council of NIEM, to thank Donna and Justin Murphy, who works on my staff and is Donna's deputy on the NIEM PMO, for all the work that they and their staff have done in order to make this thing a success. When we first started talking about this, 6 months ago, it was kind of iffy, just because of, frankly, the economy, and we were concerned about a lot of things. But it has been a tremendous success from the NIEM standpoint. So I want to thank you all for that, and very much thank Donna and Justin for the hard work they've done in pulling this together. So Donna, I will.
just wanting to bring this to a close, we will pass out the Baltimore Oriole tickets shortly after this. But I wanted to thank you, and hope you learned, hope you had a good time here in Baltimore, and look forward to working with you very closely in the next year to come. So, thank you.